Hey everyone, thanks for listening to the Grow Your Life podcast. My name is Jeremiah Krakowski. This week, got a little bit of a throat thing going on, but decided I'm still going to be able to record this. I want to talk about if you're a coach, mentor, or trainer, or you just want to get into the industry, how do you turn your knowledge into a group coaching program that's marketable, tangible, that people are going to actually buy from you? What are those first steps? Now, I've always broken this down for people very simply into about 6 steps that I want to start with. And so the 6 steps look like this. Number 1, you gotta know what your niche is. And I would say if you're watching this, I hope that you have your niche figured out. It's not super difficult to figure out what your niche is. The reason why most people don't have it figured out is because they're afraid of picking the wrong one, or they're afraid of missing out on opportunity by picking something that's not going to be the right thing for them. When in fact, it's actually very simple. Most of us have an idea for the niche that we want to pick. Sometimes we have 2 or 3 that we can combine together and then use those. Now, the stage that you want to focus on is you want to actually build out something that people want. And this is what I coach my clients in the Wealthy Coach Academy program. I'm going to give you a bird's eye view as to how I would get started if I was you, if you were starting your own group coaching program. Before we go on to that, though, I want to mention that a group coaching program, the reason why we like group coaching is because it leverages your time for the money that you can make. One-on-one coaching, you're trading dollars for hours. With group coaching, you get to show up once, people pay you a monthly fee, or they pay you one time, and you can mentor those people. And it's an incredible way to leverage your efforts into being profitable. Profitability is the name of that game right there, as well as the impact that you can have on people. And so I want you to think about, what is the number one thing that I know and have experience in that I can help people with? For me, it's generating leads and growing coaching businesses. I've been doing that for 22 years, and that's what I know how to help people with. I know how to get you to 7 and even 8 figures in your business, even if you're just starting out from zero. Maybe you're like, I don't want to make that much. That's a lot of money, Jeremiah. I can't even think about that or imagine that. I know how to get you to the first $10,000, $20,000 a month, and hopefully, that's a great goal for you. If your group coaching program was paying you $10,000 to $20,000 per month while only working 5 to 10 hours a week, mentoring people, that's a game changer. Okay? So I want you to think about what you do, what you know how to do, what you're good at, and we got to package that into something that people actually want. Okay? And so what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to use an example from a conversation that I had earlier today with somebody. And I'm going to use this to brainstorm some ideas, which is awesome. So I use a tool with AI called Poe. Poe.com is my favorite AI tool because it combines a number of different AI tools like GPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Claude 3.5, but there's also Claude 3.7. So these are different AI algorithms, and I like to use multiple AIs to be able to get to our answer. One of the best ones that's out there is GPT 4.5 preview. Good all around is GPT 4.0, as well as the O3 mini models. Okay, so those are great. And what we're going to do is we're going to use, for the sake of this example, GPT 4.0, which is the same AI model that the free version of ChatGPT uses, which is awesome. And so because of that, it's a very low cost, inexpensive AI model that you can use. It does a lot of great things. It has a lot of potential to it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use an example and say I want to make a coaching program around dog grooming. I've built successful dog grooming business to multiple 6 figures. I want to help others who want to get into the business. Okay? And so you could translate that to any niche that you want to do. Generate for me 10 ideas for how my program itself as an online community, support, and courses might look. Give examples. Okay? And so the AI is going to go to work and come up with 10 different examples of what this might look like. Structured online courses, step-by-step modules, private Facebook group, weekly coaching calls, certification program, templates and scripts, maybe some one-on-one coaching options. You don't necessarily need that. Grooming techniques library. You don't need all of that. accountability program with milestones, guest experts, done with you launch package. Now what I like is I like most of these as far as like, let's say certification program, live coaching call, a Facebook group or Discord community, or a school community. A lot of people are using a platform called school.com to build stuff out. It's right here. Okay. As well as, having a course of some kind. Okay, so generate for me 10 ideas for my first course in this program. Okay. Here are 10 ideas for your course. Dog grooming business basics from passion to profit. Mastering the fundamentals, how to build a business plan, first 10 clients, six-figure dog groomers blueprint. And I like these two right here, six-figure dog groomer blueprint and your first 10 clients, because it kind of focuses on those two things of building a business and then doing it that way. So again, the AI can help you brainstorm a lot of this and come up with a lot of this right here. Now, what I like to do is I like to toss around, and I have some free ChatGPT prompts that I've actually put together. It's over at my website, over at jeremiahperkowski.com. You can go check it out right here at the top of the site, free AI prompts. These are ChatGPT prompts. You can use them for any other AI, but they're really great at coming up with sales copy as well as marketing ideas. So our master marketing ideas prompt, let's say we're going to run with this idea right here. And then I'm going to tell it, I'm going to copy this master prompt right here. That's going to come up with ideas for what this might look like. Coaching program overview, the Dog Groomer Success Accelerator, $1,000. Help aspiring, 8 weeks long, live coaching sessions, self-paced modules. So this gives you an idea as far as what deliverables that you're going to be delivering to people. But now this is where it gets really fun, is you can start to have it develop out for you landing page copy. And this is where it starts to get realistic and tangible. And you start to see the results firsthand that you're hoping to experience. Ready to start your dog grooming business? Join my free webinar, Turn Your Passion for Dogs into a Profitable Business. You ever dreamed of building a career around your love for dogs? Maybe you thought about starting your own business. So this is really kind of like very vanilla and kind of lame for what we would say. So that's why we want to go through these different steps of prompts here and see what kind of copy it can generate. And this is the stage right here. You might be saying, okay, well, Jeremiah, I want to know, like, how do I get started? This is the stage where I would start everybody at. As I would have you play around with AI, literally. You pick your niche, let's go hit the AI now. And let's come up with ideas for how do we describe it? What's the pain points? What's the customer? I want to get into the mind of your prospect. I want to understand them. So before we build anything out, before we create anything, we're going to get into the mindset of what we're actually offering and understanding. So that's what these prompts help us do. Let's see. Pain points. They'll be stuck in a job they don't love. They're unsure on how to start. They feel overwhelmed. They're worried they're going to be wasting their time and money on mistakes. They're struggling to find clients. Okay? They feel lost and confused as to where to start a business, struggling to research with a plan. Their own DI mindset, seed to thrive in dog grooming business. Tired of feeling stuck, struggling to find clients, want to start a dog grooming business, stop dreaming, and start doing. 3-step system to build a thriving dog grooming business starting today. So again, I like that as far as the headline goes for our sales copy. And now it's going to start to write us some copy right here. Love dogs, ready to start your own grooming business but don't know where to start. Imagine working with dogs every day. There you go. And sorry, excuse me for the yawning. It's a little late here. But okay, this next prompt is called the Epiphany Bridge prompt, and this really cranks it up to level 500. It helps us understand where somebody is coming from. They spent hours Googling, watching YouTube videos, reading every article, because that's real. That's what people end up doing, and that's what you want, is you want your sales copy ideas to be real and to mirror what real human behavior is like. I'm going to skip ahead here. There's a couple of other steps, but I want to skip to this last one right here. Step 6, storytelling framework. We're going to paste this one right here, and it's going to generate us some sales copy for a landing page based on those new ideas. Are you tired of feeling unstuck and unsure about how to start your own business? I get it. I know exactly what it's like dreaming of working with dogs. And, well, this is how it came out. Are you tired of feeling stuck, unsure how to start your dog grooming business? I get it. I know exactly where you are with the dream, building something on your own, finally leaving behind an unfulfilling job. When you start your own business, no, I was terrified too. I didn't know where to begin. I didn't have clients. And so right here, the AI is able to write for us some of the sales copy right here. If you take this even a step further, it just keeps going on and on and on doing that. Now, when it comes to building this as your own business, creating a landing page yourself on your own website is going to be your next steps. Gathering as many people around you and being able to get people to join your community, your audience of people, to become your client. Those are the first steps that you want to take when you're transitioning from any sort of environment, field, group of people that's doing this into a group mentoring program. And then from here, you have your program that you can start to market. You can start to get your first clients, and that becomes the kind of income that you want to generate. Stay tuned, follow this page right here, and we'll give you more techniques and strategies on how to use technology to grow your own business online. Talk soon. Have a good one.